Welcome to Almaty, Kazakhstan Part 2. Hey guys, good morning from Almaty and welcome back to my vlog. So for today's video, I'd like to share my accommodation to those who are on a backpacking or those who are looking for a place to stay in Almaty with a budget-friendly but comfortable and affordable place to stay. Please check this out. The Hostel Viator is located in Begalin Street, just a 10-minute walk to the Republic Palace and to the famous Tobe. Now let's have a quick tour of our hostel accommodation. This is the main entrance. You can find the laundry area here. There's a washing machine available. And to your right, you can find the washroom area. There are 2 toilets available here. This is the toilet 1 and the other toilet. And to the corner, you can find the shower room. There are 2 shower rooms available also. This is the first shower room, which is very clean. And here's the other shower room. Now let's move on to the dining area or to the kitchen. By the way, this hostel is highly recommended and they have the highest reviews on booking.com, so definitely I recommend this place. There's a fridge available here, and this is the cooking area where you can cook anytime you want. Now let's move on to the bedroom, which is my favorite spot or favorite hideout, I guess. This bedroom is good for 2 to 3 person. I like this place. It's very quiet, clean and tidy, and the location also it's easy to locate. By the way, the total cost of our hostel for 8 days is around 791 dirhams. So roughly it's almost 100 dirhams per day. Now let's move on to the local cuisine of Almaty and where you can find cheap but good eats and delicious food. My first food recommendation, which I highly recommended, is this Qaganat Canteen. You can find this anywhere in the city. It's available and they have lots of options here, and mostly they're all delicious and yummy. Hello. Ito pala yun. Daming options. I definitely recommend this to all travelers in Almaty. The food was amazing and the owner was also very friendly and accommodating. Not only that, she's also a good friend of our host. I know Hokkien is not a local food, it's a Singaporean dish, but this made it to my top 3 food recommendation in Almaty because I just love Singaporean food. Which one? This one, cheese and
Cheese, chicken.
beret. Now let's explore one of the famous attractions in Almaty, which is the Tobe. Oo. This cable car costs around 5,000 tenge with return ticket, and this will take you 6 minutes up to the mountain.
Paggabi na? Maganda ito paggabi. It's a total of I think 6 minutes. Oh my god.
Я поднимался на станции.
The Tobe mountain is the highest point of Almaty city. It is also the name of the popular recreation area on top of the mountain. The mountain's height is about 1,100 meters above sea level.
Азиатские выборы. Да.
Vegetables, plants, grass.
Hello!
Wait, what's diba? Cameroon Valley of West Africa. Sheep. They are Cameroon. They call Cameroon. They are decorative goat. Cameroon Valley of West Africa. We have to experience. This is faster coaster. Okay, let's go.
So we're entering the tunnel.
Yes. Alright. Okay. Hindi mo nakakatakot
Oo.
Yeah, automatic na.
Sinig.
Okay. No, nice na.
Впереди смотри. На момент, вот здесь.
А мне не стрёмно.
А, не видно.
А чё у меня страх появляется?
Не видно?
Говорю, последнее слово. Мам, посмотри назад. На горе буду.
Look at that. Hello. Hi. Is that a squirrel?
Yes, it is.
Squirrel?
There.
Hello. I guess that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope to see you guys on my next travel videos where I can share my hiking adventure in Central Asia in Kazakhstan. So see you soon. Cheers and stay kind and be your own kind of beautiful.